Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 150. Evaluate reverse Polish notation. So we'll first check out the problem statement, then we'll look into the approach which we're going to use, and towards the end we'll see the code as well. So starting with the problem statement, it is given that we will get a array of string tokens that represents an arithmetic expression in reverse Polish notation. So reverse Polish notation basically means postfix notation, in which the operator comes after the operand. So we'll look into it when we'll be in the explanation part. I'll define what exactly it is, and we have to evaluate the expression and return an integer that represents the value of the expression. Okay, so basically we'll have to solve the reverse Polish notation given to us, and we have to return the answer of the equation. Okay, there are four operators allowed: plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Each operand may be an integer or another expression. Okay, the division between two integers always truncates towards zero. Okay, there will not be any division by zero. The input. Okay, so these are the basic pointers which they have given to make the problem a little simpler by this logic, and like it is confirmed that it will be a valid arithmetic expression, and so on and so forth. Okay, so what we will be doing is we will be using a stack to solve this problem, and let's check out the approach which we'll be using. Okay, so first we'll start with what is a reverse Polish notation. So it is nothing but postfix notation, if you're aware of this term. In postfix notation, for example, you had a equation 3 plus 4. Okay, this is the general notation, right, which we use in mathematics. In postfix notation, the operator, this is the operator, right, operator, and these two are the operands. So in postfix notation, the operator comes after the operands. Okay, for example, 3 plus 4 will become 3, 4, and plus. Okay, so this is what we call a reverse Polish notation or postfix notation, and this can be easily solved using a stack. And these were the operations or the operators that are allowed. So what we will do, this is a simple logic which we will be implementing. If we'll basically iterate the tokens. Okay, if the token will be equal to operator, okay, which are what? Plus, minus, multiply, and divide. If the operator is an operator, we will pop two elements from the top of the stack, perform the operation, and push the result back to stack. For example, let's take this one. Okay, first 2 is an integer, so what we'll do, we will just add that in the stack. Now we have 1, it is again an integer. What we do, we will add that in the stack. But now we got plus, right? So for plus, like this is an operator, what we will do, we will pop these elements. So it will be 1 plus 2, right? And when we popped these elements, our stack got empty, right? And 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Now we will again push back 3 in the stack. So this is my current stack now. Okay, so this is the current stack, and we have solved this till this point. Now we have 3. We will push 3 in the stack. Now again we got a operator which is star. So what we'll do, we will pop 2 elements from the stack, which will be 3 into 3, which ends up 9. And we will again push this back. So when we popped the elements, stack got empty, and we will again push this back. And always the last element, like after evaluating the complete expression, the last element in the stack will be our answer or result. Okay, and this is what we will be returning. So this is a simple logic. If token is equals to operator, pop 2 elements from the top of the stack, perform operation, and push back the answer to the stack. If it is simply an integer, we will push the element to the stack. So let's check out the code for the same. Okay, so this is the code for the same problem. So what we are doing, we have defined a empty stack, okay, and we have started iterating tokens. If token is plus, multiply, divide, subtraction or divide, what we are doing, we are taking two elements out from the stack, we are performing the operations, and we are again appending it back in the stack. Okay. There is one thing like which you should pay attention to. For example, in plus and in multiplication, uh, the order of operands doesn't matter, but in case of subtraction and division, it does, right? For example, 3 minus 2 is not equals to 2 minus 3. So that's why we are not doing the operations straight ahead. What we are doing, we are taking we are when we are popping the elements from stack, we are storing them in these variables and then performing the operations. Okay. So if we have any operator as token, we will pop two elements, do the operations and push that back. If it's a simple integer, we will push that in the stack without doing anything. And after evaluating all the like the complete expression or all the tokens, we will just have a single element in the stack. So we will pop that and that will be the answer of it. Let's check out the test cases. As you can see, the test cases got clear. Let's submit for further evaluation now. And the solution got accepted, and as you can see, like we have done well in terms of runtime as well. So yeah, this was the solution, guys. Thanks again for watching out the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.